Hello and welcome to another unboxing at Gadgets 360. Today we have with us Vivo's latest budget smartphone, the Vivo U10. Some of the key highlights of the smartphone include triple rear cameras, a 5000 mAh battery and 18-watt fast charging support. We'll talk about all these details in a bit, but first let's quickly unbox this smartphone. Before we go ahead, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you know when we post a new awesome video. Now let's get started. This is the box of the Vivo U10 and it looks pretty minimalistic. The phone's name is printed on both sides. Some key specifications are mentioned at the back. Now let's get on with the unboxing. The first thing we see is a sleeve. We'll check this out in a bit. First, let's take a look at the phone. The Vivo U10 is packed neatly in plastic. Let's take it out and boot it up. So the phone has volume and power buttons on the right. The tray for 2 nano SIM slots and the micro SD card slot is on the left. The bottom has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a micro USB port and a single speaker grill, while the top is blank. Now let's see what's in the sleeve. First we get a SIM eject tool. Then there's a soft TPU case. And finally some documents. Moving on, next there's a USB cable and an 18-watt fast charging brick. The Vivo U10 features a 6.35-inch display with an HD+ resolution. There's a dewdrop notch at the top which houses an 8-megapixel front camera. This smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC. It comes in 3 variants. 3GB RAM with 32GB storage priced at 8,990 rupees, 3GB RAM with 64GB storage priced at 9,990 rupees, and 4GB RAM with 64GB storage priced at 10,990 rupees. The Vivo U10 runs on Funtouch OS 9.1, which is based on Android 9 Pie. Other key specifications include a fingerprint sensor on the back and a 5000 mAh battery. 18-watt fast charging is supported. The Vivo U10 sports triple rear cameras, which include a 13-megapixel primary camera, an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Sale of the Vivo U10 starts at midnight on September 29th on Amazon.in and the Vivo India eStore. However, Amazon Prime members will get exclusive early access to grab the smartphone starting at noon on September 28th. It will be available in 2 color options, electric blue and thunder black. And that was our quick unboxing and first look at the Vivo U10. Stay tuned for the full review coming soon on our channel. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.